GPS trackers for vehicles have moved from niche anti-theft accessories to practical tools for fleet management, asset protection, and personal safety. The best models balance real-time location accuracy, battery life, deployment convenience, and total cost of ownership, device price plus subscription or service. In this comparison,
list number 1. Mini GPS tracker for vehicles, tracker device. The GF10-05 from Koyu Tubs is a compact, magnet-equipped GPS tracker designed for real-time vehicle and asset tracking. It emphasizes portability, global GSM compatibility, and anti-theft features such as vibration alerts, sound monitoring, and electronic fence notifications. With a 30-second to 10-minute configurable update interval, it provides flexible live tracking while remaining small enough to hide discreetly. The device ships with a built-in strong magnet for quick mounting, and maintenance becomes straightforward thanks to its small footprint, 1.6 by 1.6 by 0.53 inches, 0.5 ounces. Deep dive. In practice, the GF10-05 serves well for personal vehicle security, luggage, or equipment tracking, where constant connectivity is available via a local SIM. The reliance on an included SIM is not explicit, but the description notes inserting a valid SIM, not included, which means you must provision service yourself. The built-in magnet is strong, but the effectiveness depends on mounting surface and environmental conditions. For high vibration settings, consider additional securing methods. The feature set is robust for anti-theft, vibration, sound, geofence, though real-time updates depend on cellular coverage and SIM plan reliability. The compact size aids concealment but may limit battery life expectations if powered by internal cell rather than.
List number 2. GPS tracker for vehicles, car tracker device hidden for vehicles. IceHar's tracker utilizes Apple Find My network to provide global, subscription-free tracking without a SIM card. It promises real-time updates via Find My crowdsourced location, with compatibility across iOS and Android devices through Bluetooth pairing and the Find My app. The device emphasizes long battery life, CR 2032, up to 365 days, ultra-compact dimensions, 1.3 by 1.3 by 0.3 inches, and a weight of 0.3 ounces, positioning it as a low-maintenance option for luggage, vehicles, pets, and valuables. Deep dive. The key appeal is zero monthly fees and the leverage of the Find My network, which is effective in urban corridors with dense Apple devices. However, performance hinges on proximity to Find My-enabled devices in crowdsourced updates, which may result in intermittent locational precision in sparse areas. The reliance on a single battery type, CR 2032, raises concerns about user replaceability under heavy use and the need for battery monitoring. Its Bluetooth-only connectivity means limited utility when the tracker is not within Bluetooth range, though Find My provides broader coverage via Apple devices when available.
List number 3. Land Air C54 GPS tracker made in the USA from domestic. The Land Air C54 is a USA-made GPS tracker noted for real-time tracking, fast refresh as quick as every 3 seconds, and a robust feature set including geofencing, motion activation, and a rechargeable battery. It uses 4G LTE connectivity and pairs with the Silver Cloud platform for web and mobile app access. Its magnetized, discrete form factor and lifetime warranty are strong selling points, especially for asset and vehicle tracking, where fast, reliable updates matter. The 54's strength lies in its blend of fast, live tracking and a strong ecosystem, plus the lifetime warranty. Users should budget for ongoing subscription fees, starting at $9.95 on prepaid 2-year plans, or $19.95 monthly to access the full feature set and data retention. The device's sleep mode, upon inactivity, extends battery life, which is ideal for assets that move sporadically. However, the device's weight, 4.8 ounces, and size, 2.25 inches, may be less ideal for very small assets, and the requirement of a Land Air C subscription means longer-term cost of ownership must be considered.
List number 4.
Mini GPS Tracker for Vehicles. Kuai-Ling's Mini GPS Tracker emphasizes Apple Find My integration and a no-subscription model, offering real-time tracking via a magnetic, hidden form factor. It's designed as a versatile tracker for vehicles, pets, and belongings, with smart Bluetooth alerts and a long-life CR2032 battery, up to 360 days. The device is billed as a Find My compatible alternative to dedicated GPS services, reinforcing a consumer-friendly, app-based experience. Deep Dive. In real-world use, the Kuai-Ling tracker shines for users already entrenched in the Apple Find My ecosystem, seeking a low-cost, silent tracker for vehicles or valuables. The lack of a subscription reduces ongoing costs, but performance depends on Apple's Find My network, and the device relies on Bluetooth proximity for some features. The 3.5 by 2.5 by 1.5 inch footprint is larger than many micro-trackers, which may affect concealment in tight spaces. And although it offers magnetic mounting,
List number 5. 2-pack GPS tracker for vehicles. The Softcatu 2-pack targets Android users who want Google Find My device integration as a privacy-conscious, subscription-free option. It's designed for dual-pack deployments, offering Android-focused Find My compatibility, magnetic enclosure, waterproofing, and a battery life that promises standby up to a year. This package emphasizes privacy-forward design with encrypted data and end-to-end privacy safeguards. Deep Dive. For Android-centric households or businesses already leveraging Google Find My device, this pack provides straightforward deployment for cars, keys, wallets, or luggage. While the 2-pack approach adds value, the overall service relies on Google's Find My ecosystem, which may vary by locale and device availability. The device's magnetic enclosure improves concealment, but overall performance is tied to proximity to Google Find network devices and the Android version compatibility specified, Android 9+.